Hello, John. Try this battery management technique.
Typically on the highway, I like to store some electrical charge for potential stop and go traffic around accidents and highway construction. So it is often necessary to replenish the battery for the next slowdown on the highway. Luckily, the PHEV is capable of restoring up to 80% of the battery within a short driving distance. As a passenger with my daughter driving, I was able to explore the action of the PHEV's Save and Charge feature using the dog's Screen 6 charts. I have to note that the Save Charge controls are in the worst possible location on the vehicle. With 9 kilometers of battery range saved, I chose a 40-kilometer stretch of road between Napanee and Kingston, Ontario. Partway along that route, I switched off the Save function to observe the EV range chart changing. Given highway speeds above 100 kilometers per hour, you can see the saved range fall to 5 kilometers fairly quickly. To complete the test, I turned on the PHEV charge function, and almost immediately you can see the charge recover, climbing to 13 kilometers relatively quickly. The dog's altitude chart shows several significant shifts, demonstrating that the PHEV system was loaded by a real-world driving environment. Checking the cell by number chart, you can see some of the individual cells' efforts to keep up. This video closes with a few mapped shots of our ride home. Hopefully, you gain more of an appreciation of the many dog features informing you of what is happening inside your complex PHEV vehicle.
John, I hope this video helped.